This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading online tax filing portal in India. US futures are flat. This is a calm after the storm. Friday was a quadruple witching day. Moreover, today US markets are closed. So it's bound to be flat. Asian markets mixed as usual. Some markets are up, some markets are down. And Japan market, last 10 continuous weeks, it was in the uptrend. Now 33-year high, and but that is coming down slightly. So SGX Nifty, it is just struggling around the flat line, and it's bound to be like that because we have a very big positive cues and global cues are mixed. So therefore opening may be flat, but most of the time when the markets open flat, that is when the trending happens later. And usually markets do bigger trends Friday and Monday. Other days the trending possibility is less. And second one, as and when the markets open flat, that is when the bigger trend happens. Otherwise, if the big gap up or big gap down, it's actually corrected. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both corrected in the last 30 minutes on Friday. Why? Probably at the highest level, people would have shorted by thinking that the domestic institutions might be the net sellers, because the previous 2 days domestic institutions were net sellers. So that brought the Nifty by about 50-60 point and Bank Nifty about 150 point. But later we found that both FIAs and DIAs were net buyers. So therefore, so my assumption is that at least we will try to touch Friday's high in today's market. So, when it's talk about the trending, on Thursday, the Bank Nifty fell 600 points from intraday high to intraday low. And who would have thought the very next day Nifty will shoot up nearly 200 points from intraday low to intraday high. So this I'm just giving as an example for probability of a trending happening on Friday and Monday. So anyway, so our markets are bullish, and mid cap and small cap indices are really very well. It's only the large caps, that is the top six top stocks out of the 7 top stocks, and they are underperforming. TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank and ICICI Bank. So as and when these 6 stocks picking up, so we can comfortably move much higher. 18,900 is the all-time high. In fact, 18,900 is the intraday all-time high. On a closing basis, last Friday is the all-time high. So anyway, even if you take intraday all-time high, 18,900, 19,000 is a round figure, a psychological figure. So therefore, there may be some kind of a struggle between 18,900 and 19,000 for few days. So once 19,000 is taken out comfortably, so that is when you can expect Nifty even to go to 20,000 in the next few months. So that's a long-term view, but for short-term, we are still bullish. And Friday, most of the American ADRs, Indian ADRs traded in US, so they were all in green. Particularly, HDFC Bank was up more than 2.5%. If HDFC Bank is good, then HDFC will also be good. And if both are good, that has about 15% weightage in Nifty. So the overall markets will also tend to be good. So keep an eye in these 6 stocks: TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank and ICICI Bank. And of course, not to forget the lone leader in the pack is a Reliance Industries. So it will be interesting. Around 2,500, it met with a lot of resistance. then decisively crossed, and now I think the next resistance will be coming around 2600, which is a round figure. So mid caps are good, small caps are good, even the large caps on a closing basis, it was at all-time high only on Friday. So, but people want intraday all-time high also to be taken out. So, as I told you already, there was some unwinding in 19,000 call and addition of 18,800 put option. So, all these indicate a positive thing. So, as long as markets are moving gradually higher, so the probability of reversal is low. But anyway, Nifty for the last 3 months, it is in the uptrend, and Nifty has shot up more than 2,000 points in the last leg of the rally from 16,800 to close to 18,900. So anytime correction can come, but any correction 200 to 300 point is just common. Even intraday also, both last month as well as this month, the Nifty corrected nearly 200 point many times. But despite that, Nifty is still holding the range of 18,500 to 19,000, which is likely to hold. And maybe we can, if the markets tend to be more bullish, so at some point of time, we can change. So the base to 18,700 to 19,200. So usually I will wait for a close above 18,900 in Nifty to change my view. But as of yesterday, it has not closed. So let us see what happens. And as I always say, from now until Deepavali, so it's going to be Deepavali in stock market. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.